Hey everybody, I wanted to talk to you about a popular attic rain repair scam that's going around Calgary. Very, very popular scam to pull on the public. Um, Obviously, we would never do this, but there are plenty of companies that do this exact thing. So if you're getting a quote for attic rain, you're going to want to watch out for this scam. Here's the scam. Mr. and Mrs. Customer, we can fix your attic rain. Here's how we're going to do it. We're going to fix your roof ventilation, and also we're going to top up your insulation. Just as a little bonus to you, it's really the roof vents that fix the attic rain, but just as a little bonus to you, we're going to top up your insulation too. Oh, great. Okay. That's awesome. How much does that cost? Oh, it costs thousands of dollars. But don't worry about it because it's going to fix your attic rain. Oh, okay. Um, what kind of warranty does that come with? Well, it comes with a 1-year warranty. Oh, that's not very long. Well, yeah, but if next winter you have dripping again, then you know it didn't work, right? So you don't really need more than a 1-year warranty for this thousands and thousands of dollar repair and insulation top up, right? Well, yeah, I guess so. That makes sense. Okay, go ahead and do it. So what they do is they're gonna throw some roof vents on the roof, and then the scam is they top up your insulation with maybe, let's say, 3 or 4 inches of fresh insulation, maybe even 6 inches of fresh insulation. What does that extra layer of new material do? You know what it does? It catches the drips next winter. Because next winter you're still going to have attic rain because it's still not fixed. And when the moisture drips from your roof sheathing, it's going to hit a fresh, brand new layer of insulation. And that brand new layer of insulation is going to catch some of that water. It's going to catch some of those drips. And it's going to significantly reduce how much water drips through in year one. In year two, the water's going to form a little path through and it's going to start coming through again. And in year three, it's going to be coming through again. It's going to be dripping out of your pot lights and all that stuff again, out of your bathroom fans, whatever. So, but your warranty's gone now, and the roofer's gone with your money. So here's the thing, is that technique for fixing attic rain of roof ventilation and adding a little bit of insulation on top, that's a scam. And the scam is that fresh material on top will catch the moisture for a year or two, and then your attic rain will come right back. We would never do this, but we could just go into an attic, blow a little bit of insulation on top, and hide the issue. Whenever people call us for a top up, an insulation top up, we always go and physically evaluate the attic first. And the reason we do that is because we're not going to go top up the insulation on top of an attic rain problem, because the insulation we put in would just get ruined. We're wasting the people's money, and it's a total scam. So call the attic rain experts if you want to get your attic properly fixed.